Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, on this session, we're going to be analyzing the market together. And when we get a good entry opportunity, we are going to place the entry. All right. Okay. So, as I was saying earlier, we'll be analyzing the market together. And once we see a good entry opportunity, we are going to place the order. All right. So if this is your first time joining us, welcome to our live trading session. So aside this session, I have a premium group where I give out free signals every day, better signals. All right, let me put it that way. So to join the premium group, all you have to do is fund on this live stream. Okay, fund your account on this live stream, and the benefit you would get for joining the premium group is you get signals, at least 3 signals per day. All right, with good winning rates, market reports, and market analysis. All right. So to join the premium group, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on the banner. All right. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page where you can deposit into your account. Now, if you deposit up to $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get access to me. Okay. A private access, just you and I. And then, I'll be able to teach you how to become a profitable forex trader and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. Okay, so let's get into the activity of today. We are currently on Euro GBP 30 minutes time frame. All right. So what I would like you guys to do is, whenever I'm making analysis on a particular pair, I will suggest you go to that pair. Okay. So when I get a good entry and I give out the signal, you can place the trade with me immediately. Okay. All right. So as you can see from here, the market, is currently trading to the downside. Okay, the market is currently trading to the downside after this move into this resistance zone. Okay, so we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. We are on the 1 hour time frame. All right, let's go down a bit. Let's see if we can still jump into this opportunity. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, I wanted to use it here. Okay, so here right now we have another liquidity taken out. So I think we are gonna get an opportunity to continue with this trend. All right. Okay, so here we have, see, we have this move. Okay, so the market is still expecting the other block from this area, right? And then right now the market has broken the recent low. Okay, so here we have the recent low. Okay, and then we have 2 point of interest here. Okay, we have 2 point of interest here. So we have this first one here. We have this first one. And then if the market doesn't reject from this first zone, okay, I think it's this. All right. So if the market doesn't reject from the first zone, we have another zone here. Okay, we have another zone at the top, another resistance zone. So we have 2 points of interest here. We have the first one and the second one. All right. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. Though it's still going to take a little while for the market to come back into these zones. Okay, into any of the 2 zones that we have here. So we'll just continue with our analysis and come back to check on this to see if the market is respecting our zone. All right, and as you can see right now, the market has started to make a bullish move. All right, so it's creating a bullish candle right now. Okay, so let's go to the next instrument. All right, we are currently on Euro JPY. Okay, this is the European against the Japanese yen. Okay, so here we have Euro JPY, and Euro JPY has been moving bullish. Okay, the market has been going bullish for a while now. So, and there hasn't been much retest from this market. So let's see if we're gonna get an opportunity from here. Okay. All right, let's check from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame. Okay. Okay, so right now the market is in the bid to break the highest high. All right, that's the high of last year. All right. Okay. So from our higher time frame analysis, the market will continue to go bullish. Okay. Though we have point of interest where the market, where we can take our, buy trade from, where we can continue with the trend. Okay. But this is 1 hour time frame, and if I'm gonna take this trade, okay, I would prefer if the market comes down to this level. All right. And we don't have the luxury to wait for this to get to our POI here. Okay, so let's just continue making more analysis. Let's see if we can get better entries. All right. Okay, so before we do this, let's go to my favorite pair. I'm sure you all know what my favorite pair is. Yeah. All right, let's go to XAUUSD. Let's go to the gold. Let's see what gold is doing today. So I made an analysis on gold yesterday and it was very profitable. Yeah, we made profit. So you see, this is why you need to be part of my premium member. Okay, so you can get this analysis back to back. We made good profit yesterday. So if you sold gold yesterday, gold was very profitable. We didn't hit all our TP though, but we hit TP1. And I know they do pass myself. You understand? So, uh, all right, let's see if we can get another opportunity on gold this morning. Yeah, I think I gave the trade here on our live stream yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, I gave the signal here and the market went into profit. Okay, the market went into good profit. All right, so let me just quickly make my analysis. All right. So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, Though the candle hasn't closed yet, but see this seems like the market is going to continue to go down. Okay, the gold market is going to continue in the bearish move. You see, all the previous rejected areas aligns well with our channel. Okay, they align well with the upper trend line. So the information here is the market is going to continue to go bearish, right? But this is the 1 hour time frame, so we are not going to be taking the trade from here. If we do, the stop loss is going to be too long. Okay, so if we want to take the trade from here right now, our stop loss is going to be too wide. You see, this is where our stop loss is going to be, and our take profit will definitely be on the low. Okay, so let's use this current low. All right. So let's continue, guys. All right. So the requirement wasn't met, and as I've said earlier, I don't want us to take the trade from the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So look at the 15 minutes time frame. You see the stop loss is wide, right? So I'll prefer something like this where we have a very small stop loss and you know. Okay, so I would prefer waiting for the market to because we have multiple areas the market can still reverse from. So we have this zone, right? We have this zone. The market hasn't mitigated these zones. Okay, so the market can still go bullish, mitigate these zones before moving to the downside. So that is why if we take the trade from here, we'll be on the safer side, because even though we experience any drawdown, the market will not go above this level. Okay, but yeah, we can't predict the market 100%. So that is why we need to be careful. So in case the market goes above, it doesn't give us too much loss. All right. So if the market comes to this zone, I would prefer to take my trade from here, set my stop loss here, and my take profit on the recent low. So let's say the recent low, let's use this. Yeah, I like this better. All right. So we can watch for entries, we can wait for opportunities on the lower time frame. Okay. So you see on the 5 minutes time frame, we can still restructure our entry, which is even better. All right, so if the market comes to this zone, let's go back to, all right, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's make this a round figure. All right, so that's fair enough. And I think we have up to two analyses now. We have two analyses uh, we are keeping eyes on. All right, let's continue to make more analysis, all right, before the end of our session. Okay, so since we're already here, let's try analyzing the crypto instruments. All right, let's start with BTC USDT. All right, so we are currently on BTC USDT 5 minutes time frame. Let's make our analysis from the higher time frame. Okay, so we are currently on the 1 minute time frame, and as you can see, the market is breaking lows. Okay, the market is breaking lows, which means the market is bearish. All right. So the opportunity to look out for here is a sell opportunity. All right, so we have the market respecting this zone, and then after that, the market went down to break the low. Okay, the market went down to break this low. So there we have a break of structure to the downside. Okay, so after the break of structure, the market is moving close or moving towards this other block. Okay, we have another block here. So anytime the market break a structure either to the upside or the downside, the market would want to go back, you know, to retest another block. Okay, so here we have another block, and the market is currently approaching it, and as you can see, it aligns well with uh, our trend line. Okay. All right. So, but this is the 1 hour time frame. So let's head down to the lower time frame. Let's head down to the lower time frame where we can see. Let's head down to the lower time frame where we can see the market structure better. Okay, so we also have a zone here on the lower time frame. Let's see if the market is going to respect this, or if it's going to go up to respect the one we had earlier. All right. So I think the market is approaching the upper trend line. If the market reverses from this anywhere around this zone, this is going to be a good trade. Okay, because aside our other block, the resistance zone, we also have a trend line aligning with our point of interest. Okay, so here's our point of interest, this zone and this zone, and you see it aligns well with our upper trend line. So let's see what happens when the market gets to this point. Okay, let me get an indicator there. So this is what I'm expecting. See, okay, let's make more analysis. Yeah. All right. So let's go to the junior brother of BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT. So Ethereum USDT and BTC USDT have similar moves. Okay. When BTC is going down, it's making bearish moves. Ethereum would also, make similar move. All right. So you see, we have another block here, and the market is currently rejecting that same other block. So let's see, we are currently on the 15 minutes time frame. So if we get a good rejection from here, we are going to place a sell trade. Okay, we are going to place a sell trade for Ethereum USDT. All right, so you see the market is currently reversing from our point of interest here on the 15 minutes time frame. Though we still need the market, we need the candle to close. All right, let's go to the lower time frame where we can get, a sniper entry. All right, so let's see if this rejection is going to hold. We have less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. So if this rejection holds, we're going to place a sell trade from here, right? Using this as our stop loss and this as our take profit. All right. Okay. So we have about a minute more to the end of this current candle. So once this candle closes and it shows, a good sign for a bearish move, then we will take this trade. Okay. And our stop loss, we are going to shift it, let's say to this level. Yeah, we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame. All right, a few seconds more. All right, a few seconds more. Okay, so the candle closed, but I'm still not comfortable with the rejection we got here. Okay, I'm not comfortable with the rejection pattern we got on the lower time frame. I thought you didn't started watching you so I thought you did on my clients. I was like, when did you watch? Right. Okay, let's go check our analysis on other instruments. BTC. Okay, still the same. XAU USD. All right, the market didn't reverse to our point of interest. Okay, but we still have the point of interest we are looking out for. Right. I think we have one other one. Yeah, Euro GBP. Okay, we have Euro GBP, and as you can see, the market actually made the move, towards our entry, but it didn't get to the entry point. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So Euro JPY. I think we have an analysis on Euro JPY also, and the market is currently on our lower trend line. All right, let me see if this is a good opportunity. Okay. So if it's a good opportunity, we can take this trade, have our TP and our stop loss. Okay. Because this trade is going to take a while. Okay, so we have a change of structure here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the market closed below my trend line. All right, guys, let's sell Euro JPY. All right, let's sell Euro JPY. Okay, let me reduce the stop loss a bit. I think the stop loss is too much. All right. Right. And then for the TP, all right, so let me write out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Okay, guys, enter your take profit and stop loss for this trade. Okay. So enter your take profit and your stop loss for this trade before we round up. All right. So I hope you've set your take profit and your stop loss. And guys, please don't wait until the market hits take profit. Okay. Once you start making profit, let's say you are risking $1 right now, and you are seeing a profit of, let's say, $2. Just go ahead and close your trade. All right. Okay. So I hope everyone has set their take profit and their stop loss. Uh, so this is where we're going to end our live trading session for today. So I'll see you guys on our next session. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.